Check out this lifetime deal from softwaretrailers.com. Enjoy this awesome deal with CheatLayer. Save hundreds of hours every month by automating repetitive business tasks with CheatLayer. CheatLayer is a platform that allows any website to offer an automated layer. CheatLayer provides a comprehensive scripting layer that can be used to write, modify, run, and schedule business tasks. Scraping data from sites like Craigslist, Zillow, or LinkedIn, as well as social management activities like selecting random comments for contests, are common use cases. Use scripts or build your own scripts to automate any task on any website. If you don't have a Chrome extension on your brand yet, CheatLayer can help you. Any automation can be turned into a fully functional, branded Chrome extension that you can resell to an unlimited number of clients. Build your own Zapier with unlimited tasks that run in the background in your browser by combining our extension webhooks with direct API integrations. Generate working JavaScript code in seconds using only natural language with CheatLayer's GPT-3 machine learning. Using a combination of our no-code interface, GPT-3 machine learning code generation, and marketplace, automate everything that can be done on the web. With CheatLayer, you can access its automation marketplace to request custom scripts or make money by writing scripts for others. CheatLayer allows you to schedule very specific tasks months in advance. It is a tool that allows you to automate any website, convert any website into an API, and save hundreds of hours every month. What are you waiting for? Save time with CheatLayer. CheatLayer's lifetime deal starts at only $99. Save up to $500 and get lifetime access today. Stop wasting your time by automating your tasks with CheatLayer. Check out the link below for more details. Look through our collection of lifetime deals today, available on the right side of your screen. You will find software solutions at super low prices. Hit that like button and subscribe to get our latest software deals at discounted prices. Thanks for watching. See you next time.